Hi, Lakers. I'm Veronica. I'm over here in the pond. I'm the Math and Science Coordinator in Student Learning and Transitions Department here at Nipissing University. Today, we're going to talk about preparing for your math class so you don't get stung. The most important idea is to prepare resources. And I've divided them up into 3 levels. Level 1, create your concept roadmap. Level 2 is group equations together. And level 3 is create solutions for individual math problems. So let's take a look. So here, my level 1 tells you what equations you will need. The roadmap should guide you. Okay, and here is an example. I've listed 7 topics, and if the question said find the mean, variance, or standard deviation, my roadmap tells me to go to the equations for topic 1. If it says percentile, I go to the equations for topic 2. And you can see that I have these key words that will guide me to the correct grouped equations. Then over here, now I have my grouped equations, right? So if it's topic 1, it said find the mean, variance, or standard deviation. I have 5 different ways that my data can look. And depending on how the data looks, that will guide me to my individual math problems. Okay, this shows you how to use the equation you will need, the individual math problem. Level 2 guides you to the specific equation you will need. So let's look at another example. Again, roadmap tells you what set of equations you will need. Here's the key words that I have set up here. They'll tell me what equations I should be looking for. Okay, let's say it said something like integration. Okay, then I head over here and I go to my grouped equations. And once I look at my group equations, I look at which one of these specifically I need. Then level 3 shows me how to use the equation. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the video. Prepare your resources as you go through the course. Edit these resources as needed throughout the course. And have some fun with it. Make them look nice. Put some effort into it. By doing this, you'll actually be reviewing the equations and your resources, and you'll become very familiarized with them. And you can see in the background there, we've got someone else having some fun on the pond. So enjoy yourself. Goodbye, Lakers.